Luigi, I don't think this is a good idea. Trust me, Matteo, it will be fine. Are you ready? But Luigi, I'm not sure this is a good idea. Are you sure it's okay? Do I have to tell you this every time, Matteo? It's going to be fine. All right. In a 1, in a 2, in a 1, 2, 3. Oh, crap. I gotta get it. Oh, hi, Matteo. Luigi, you said it would be safe. I kinda lied, Matteo. And Luigi, you know what happens when you lie? No, I kinda forgot. What was it? Death.